Hi, I'm Andy DeGrucci. I'm the owner of LimeWorks.us and the Craftwork Training Center located at 3145 State Road, Telford, Pennsylvania. So the purpose of the Craftwork Training Center, why we started it, is one, to try to attempt to push back against the demolition and demise of all our beautiful stone farmhouses and mills and barns and structures that are from antiquity and really do tell the story of where we came from. But also, because there are fewer people going into the trades, we want to keep the trades alive. The Historic Preservation Bootcamp is a series of hands-on programs all related to the preservation of historic masonry structures. This is a 3-day class that starts with our lecture given by our architectural conservator, Anthony Hita, and he walks you through the material science behind using lime-based repair materials. We have a class dedicated to repointing brick and stone. Repointing is putting mortar between brick and stone when it has failed. We've also made this simple so that we have our products put in bags called Ecologic mortar. Ecologic because one, there happens to be a lower embodied energy in the production of lime over Portland cement. You're saving historic structures. You are actually doing something very environmentally friendly. So therefore we coined our product line Ecologic. So the plaster classes follow a systematized methodology, which is in a worksheet that says plastering as easy as 1, 2, 3. So we have a few products like our Ecologic tack coat and top coat platinum. Platinum means it's made in America with material sourced from the United States. And then, tack coat is what it sounds like. It tacks itself or glues itself as a base material to a masonry substrate. And then top coat is the finish coat that goes over it. So one of the biggest issues in historic preservation outside of repointing is to take up brick and stone loss that has occurred because of wetting and drying cycles exfoliating the faces of brownstone or limestone and brick. And so we have a material that we found to be excellent for repairing brick and stone and allowing a patch to breathe that will not trap water behind the patch like many other manufacturers. So all in all, there's a philosophical reason for why we're doing what we're doing. And that purpose is where like-minded people find us and come together with us, and they join forces with us to keep preservation alive, their cultural heritage alive in their region where they come from. And we get people from all over the world come to a Craftwork Training Center to take our classes. So if you want to know more, visit our website, LimeWorks.us, and you'll find out how you can become involved.